Akyem Kotoku and Akyem Bosami were originally related. Their traditional headquarters are Cherbi, Oda, and Akyem Swedru, respectively. This information has been passed down through oral tradition. The Akyem people were among the first Akan groups to migrate from the Sahel region to the area that became the Bono state, Bono-Manso. Bono state is where modern Akan people originated. Some Akan people who left Bono-Manso later formed the Adansi kingdom in the mid-14th century. All three Akyem states trace their roots back to Adansi, now in the Ashanti region of Ghana. Like other Akan groups, they were likely part of the early Bono kingdom. The bosom traditions also support this. Legends say that the Akyem began leaving their original home in